What's up guys, my name is Joe and it is Techtember, the month where all the new tech and gadgets and everything is introduced, and it starts off with Apple. September 10th is their main event for their new iPhone 11, 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. So that's what we're going to talk about today. Alright guys, so they sent out the invites and the invite gives us a small hint. It has a huge Apple logo which has different kind of colors, and I think those colors represent the iPhone 11's colors. Now if you don't know, the iPhone 11 will be the successor to the iPhone XR. The iPhone 11 Pro will be instead of iPhone XS, and the 11 Pro Max will be instead of the XS Max. The difference between the two is that the 11 will come with 2 cameras and the 11 Pro will come with 3 cameras. A wide angle, a telephoto, and a normal lens. What will these cameras be able to do? What will we see in this presentation? There will not be an Apple Watch Series 5 in this event, there will not be an iPad Pro in this event, and there will not be a MacBook Pro in this event, I think. I think it's wise for Apple to do only the iPhone and iOS 13 in this event. Focus on the features of the new phone because they need to sell this phone, because it's not the sexiest upgrade from iPhone X, XS, because it's only just 1 camera extra. So they really need to sell those small details that it differentiates from the 10 or the XS. That's why possibly in October there will be an iPad or MacBook event where all the other things will be highlighted. I don't think that we will see an Apple Watch Series 5 this year, although I could be wrong, but I just don't see, it doesn't make any sense because the Apple Watch Series 4 is such an amazing little product that they don't need to upgrade it immediately. Just like the AirPods, they didn't need an AirPods 2, they just made a new wireless case, boom, that's it. It does not need an upgrade yet. They can wait until next year. I think that's a better way for Apple to go. Now, we will not be seeing iPads, we will not be seeing MacBooks, just focusing on the iPhone, focusing on the cameras. And what will these cameras be able to do? First of all, 3 lens, 3 different angles, one with a telephoto, one with a wide angle lens, and one normal. The normal, as we know, is normal. Wide angle lens will be able to capture a really wide angle for our subjects and whatever we want to see, and then when we have a telephoto. Now the magic with this camera will be possibly is that they will take a photo at the same time, so you will have 3 pictures meshed up into one. So if you want to zoom in, you're actually zooming into the telephoto. If you want to zoom out, you're zooming out to the wide angle lens. So if you want to edit your photo, you will actually have all of the detail in that photo, which is, if you think about it, really amazing. Because now if you want to, you always have to choose between a telephoto picture or a wide angle picture on other devices. But here you can choose after you've taken the photo. So possibly what I'm thinking, everybody will be doing their photos wide angle so they can see what they're capturing, and then after that just zoom into the subject, which is actually pretty cool. Other than that, it will have a much more larger sensor and larger lens, meaning that there can be more light coming through, so the nighttime photography will be elevated. I don't know if it will be on par with Google's phones, but it will be a lot better. Apart from this, you will have bilateral charging, which means that you can charge the phone wirelessly and the phone can charge other phones or devices wirelessly as well. There has been a rumor that there will be an Apple Pencil support for this phone, although I'm not sure. It does not really make sense for iPhones to support the Apple Pencil. If they would only support this kind of pencil and not a separate pencil for iPhones, because there are rumors that there will be a smaller, like this big Apple Pencil for the iPhone, and there's like a case maker, Olixar, who's already doing a case for the new Apple Pencil. That does not make sense. If you could just use your regular Apple Pencil with this, if you have an iPad Pro with a pencil, then sometimes, yes, it's really comfortable to manipulate your phone's screen with this. Apart from this, we are pretty confident on the naming because of millions of leaks. I've already done videos on this back in January, and now here we are. Case makers are already putting the iPhone 11, 11 Pro Max names on the cases. I am pretty sure that this is going to be the case. So in any way, we will know this September 10th, 10 a.m. Pacific time. If you guys want to know more about Apple products, if you guys want to know more Apple news or anything in regards to technology, then this is the channel to do so. Also, there's an iPhone XS giveaway. Do not forget that. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Until my next video, stay safe and hang loose.